Unxunguphalo lubhalwe kwimbuso zabasebenzi benkampani iGoodyear nanjengokuba olu ilusuku lwabo lokugqibela bengena njengabasebenzi kwiingcango zale nkampani. uMelikhaya Daku osebenzele le nkampani iminyaka engama-22 uthi udandathekile emphefumlweni yaye kunzima ukuyamkela imeko yokuba akazukuba namsebenzi ukuqala namhlanje.
Definitely I felt bad. I started here 2003 all the way up until now. I work in different departments, 6 departments, only 2 that I did not work to. Yes, it's sad because we were not prepared about this. And then other thing, the way we were told in the last minute, you understand, 5th of June, we were called in dispatch to the stadium that the company is closing, of which we felt that it was heartless from the employer because we've served here so many years. Even my father works here from 1963 until 1986. So Goodyear was not just an organization, it was like a legacy in Youth. So it said, even this morning when I woke up, I cried. And then my wife said, no, it's about right. But of course, I know this is not the end of the world. We're still going to have something. So we pray those things for God to be with us.
Omnye umsebenzi uBenjamin Bice uthi kwelakhe icala nanjengomntu osebenze iminyaka engama-37 eGoodyear azange acinge nakanye ukuba ingaze ibe yindlela anokuphuma ngayo le.
Yeah, today I'm feeling very emotional because Goodyear is closing today. I've been working for Goodyear company for 37 years and I never expect that it will happen this way. Okay, maybe the package is all right. Maybe I will benefit for that. But what about the others? There are still young guys here. There are guys here who brought cars. They bought houses. They never expect that Goodyear is going to close.
Le nkampani yasa imbalelwano kumbutho wabasebenzi iNUMSA ebhalwe phantsi kwecandelo uSection 189 Act nomalunga nokuvala le nkampani ngenxa yokunqongophala kwimfuno nezidingo zokuqhubela phambili nokwenza imisebenzi kweli ziko ngenyanga kaCanzibe kulo nyaka. Unobhala jikelele kwiNUMSA uIvan Jim uthi abavumelene ngako nabaphathi kulo mhlangano kukwenyusa imali abaza kuyifumana abasebenzi xa bekhutshwa kule nkampani ingabisiso isixa mali ebesiqikelelwa kuma-50 erandi ibe ngaphezulu. Ukwathe basekwingxoxo nabaphathi beGoodyear uthi balwela ukuba le nkampani ithengwe ngezinye zeenkampani ukuze ikwazi ukuphinda iqeshe abantu.
We're not in a position to disclose the details as yet, but there has been improvement on the 50,000 status that we were talking about. We came to report to members. We're going back to negotiations now with the employer. We can promise that very soon, if we reach an agreement this afternoon, we will articulate the outcomes of the process. Well, the employer want to close this plant today. They want to close this plant today. However, we continue to push back. Our pushback is that we think that we have been engaging with government. There is an offer that IDC have made, and we're looking for a strategic partner. Even if they do pull the trigger, we will still be doing our best to secure a strategic partner together with IDC government to make sure that this plant is reopened. Well, workers are obviously devastated about their jobs. And I mean, this is a blow for the community of Youth.
Osimphiwe Mde osele esebenze iminyaka 14 kule nkampani uthi ukufumana inhlawulo akuzukwenza mehluko ungcono kule meko.
All I can say is that lento siphuma nayo is not enough for abasebenzi, because if you can check, there are people who are 40, 45 years of age who are not skilled. You understand, which is kanga bayithethe into bangabo bazaba empowerisha njani when in terms of his skill. At the very same time, okanye mandito kwesibini ne a 45-year-old ne xa eseyiphuma apha without a skill izawufumana apho umsebenzi kule unemployment engaka, which is youth. You understand, ayinamsebenzi, like we check ingqesho, like consideration from abantu abana 35 ukwehla, you understand? Umuntu ona 45 years ke ngoku from ngoku ubheka pha phambili uzayifumana phi ingqesho.
Abaphathi eGoodyear abavumanga ukuthetha nathi ngethuba sishicelela ilinqaku. INUMSA igqibele ngelithi baza kubuyela kwaba basebenzi ngeziphumo kwingxoxo abaza kuyihlala kwakhona neGoodyear. Kwindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguJessica Bobo, ndiseKarega.